Bingo Cash does not guarantee one fixed payout time for every withdrawal, because processing can depend on the payment method, account, and withdrawal review. By the end, you'll know what happens after you request a Bingo Cash withdrawal, which payment methods may be available, and what to check if your payment does not arrive when expected. First, Bingo Cash supports cash withdrawals through payment methods that can include PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, or a credit card, depending on your location and account. The available options are shown inside the app when you request a withdrawal. The key point is that winning a cash tournament and receiving the money are two different steps. After you finish a tournament, your winnings first appear in your Bingo Cash account. You then need to meet the app's current withdrawal requirements before requesting the payment. Bingo Cash also separates withdrawable winnings from bonus cash. Bonus cash can be used for certain in-game purposes, but it is not itself withdrawable. So if your balance contains bonus cash, you cannot assume that the entire displayed balance will be paid out. When you request a withdrawal, check the exact amount marked as available for cash out, rather than relying on your total balance. The payment method also matters. PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, and other supported methods can have their own processing requirements, and availability can vary by location. Bingo Cash also states that withdrawals can be subject to review. That means a request can take longer than simply transferring money between two personal accounts. If your withdrawal appears delayed, start inside Bingo Cash rather than immediately assuming the app is fake. Check your withdrawal status. Confirm that the payment information is correct, and review any message attached to the transaction. You should also check the email address or payment account connected to your withdrawal. A payment can appear delayed when the receiving account has a verification issue, or when the selected payment method is not currently available. One more thing matters if you're using Bingo Cash for the first time. Do not deposit money simply because you expect a fast payout. Test the free gameplay first. Understand the current withdrawal rules, and then decide whether the cash tournaments make sense for you. So, how long does Bingo Cash take to pay? There is no single guaranteed time frame that applies to every player and every withdrawal. The actual wait depends on the withdrawal method, account status, location, and any required review. The practical move is to request a small withdrawal first and record the date, amount, and payment method. That gives you a real benchmark for your own account, instead of relying on someone else's payout screenshot. Bingo Cash does offer real money withdrawals, but payout speed is not guaranteed to be identical for everyone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app payout tests and reviews.